Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily organize your plants in Plants vs. Brainrots. So basically, there's this new feature that makes giant plants look smaller, even though they still have the same DPS as a giant plant would. If you go to the settings tab here, there is the plant scale option, while on plant sizes are visually reduced for easy garden organization. If I did turn it off, it's going to look like this. I mean, don't get me wrong, it looks pretty, but it is very hard to see where all of my plants are, like this one, and this one's like smushed between these giant plants. So I do prefer to have it on like this. And yeah, when you want to know like if a plant is like bigger, just turn it off again. But yeah, I like to have it on so I can see everything in my garden, and this is and it is easier to organize. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!